Running a search within the lead generation program is starting by creating a campaign. So please make sure you've watched the Create a Campaign video to start. You can also create a campaign from this dropdown, but let's say that we've created some campaigns as I can show here. So first we choose which type of campaign. Is it an industry-based, people-based, or single-based search that we want to do? So I would like to do an industry-based search for this first example. So I choose my demo location campaign, and then this industry search becomes active and I'm able to enter my details. The industry-based search allows me to type in a specific industry, business type, or vertical niche that then I can search in a location. So for example, I might choose to search for a realtor, and I might choose to have that search in North Carolina. Letting the system pick up the location, we simply choose and then click on Search Now. As these results are added or searched within the program, you'll see them start to pop up on our map here. And you can zoom in or out on the map, making sure that you can get as narrow or as broad as you want to go. The system does give best results at suburb level. So better to go at individual suburb level, and we'll talk about that in the expanding your search tutorial. So now we have these businesses that have been added to my campaign. We've got the name of the company, the address, the reputation rating, the website, and the phone number. So we can now look and zoom in to change this search on any particular location. So if I wanted to look, for example, in Nightdale, that I can see here, I can come in here and just type in Nightdale. I can find that particular location. I can update my search, and now all of our search results will focus around that individual location. You can then change any business type. So remembering that we're looking for a particular type of business. So we might choose, if I come back, we can choose a different campaign in this case, and we might say, okay, I'm looking for a physiotherapist in a particular company, in a particular location. So that's a different campaign, physio. And let's look in, as an example, Sydney, Australia. So now we can say, let's find this type of business in this location. And again, we can run that search and have those results come through into the campaign. So there we have physiotherapists in and around Sydney. So any type of business or industry, niche or vertical can be searched using the industry or business search, which is our first column here. The second type of search will not generate as many emails. This is to generate a LinkedIn profiles. So the LinkedIn profile search is our people search. And again, I have a campaign already set, or I could create a new one, but let me choose my people-based campaign, and then I'm able to do my people-based search. And the people search allows me to search LinkedIn and search for particular roles or keywords that people are putting onto their profile. So if I'm looking at a role here, and I might say, find me everybody who's employed as a BDM. And I might say, find me everybody there in Chicago. And again, choosing our location, letting that search run, will now find me people who are BDMs in and around that particular location. So I've found a particular type of role. I might then choose to say, okay, find me people who are a sales manager, as an example. Let that update. So now we've got different sales managers that are showing here. So we can see that the information here, we've got their business, we've got their name, we've got the title, we've got the company they work for, and we've got their email address if it's available. So it will go through to our campaign and be able to find those people. We can also go across to that LinkedIn profile simply by clicking, where we can find that particular person and we can connect with them on LinkedIn. So our first type of search is our business or industry search. Our second type is our people search. And our third type is where you're looking for one individual company at a time. So for example, and let me again start by choosing a campaign. So we say, okay, find in our single search style of campaign, everybody that works at Tesla.com. So we might find everybody that works at Tesla, and here they go, and we can start to bring in all of the different people that work at that specific company. Now we might go USPS. We can start to find people who work for the US Postal Service. Not every website will publish their email addresses or email results, but if you're looking for a particular type of business, the single search will help you find the employees and the contact details of the people that work at that business. Once you've done your search, you'll see your results in the campaign, and we'll talk about what happens next to be able to push those into the CRM system in the next training video.